perpetual cat hair everywhere. Fab Fit Fun. Fab Fit Fun. In my brain, I feel like I can't say it fast, but I totally can. Fab Fit Fun. Fab Fit Fun. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. We are going to be unboxing together my very first Fab Fit Fun box. I am super excited to see what I got in this. I have watched so many unboxings. I've seen so many promos for Fab Fit Fun. I feel like they have so many influencers that are affiliates with them, and I just see unboxings everywhere. I see it all over Instagram. It's been shoved in my face for quite some time, and I thought, I must be missing out on something. I need to give it a try. I have no idea what is in this box. I literally just got it in the mail yesterday. It's been sitting downstairs in my living room. And I'm like, you know what? This is it. I'm not going to wait for the weekend. I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this. Let's go ahead and dive into it and let's see what I got in my very own, very first spring Fab Fit Fun box. All I did was break the tape on this bad boy, so we're just gonna open it up. Right away, I see some pamphlets. It looks like they have some sort of magazine in here. It says Fab Fit Fun Spring 2020. It's just got some, let's see, spring soiree recipes, catch your Z's. So it's just like a fun magazine. I think it just goes over different products that could have been in the box, what I got in my box, etc., etc. So yeah, I'm gonna set that to the side right now. And then we also have some sort of advertisement for some teeth alignment. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that aside as well. Right away, I see a ton of different stuff in this box. I'm gonna grab the first thing I see. This is from Avene or Avene. This is their thermal spring water. I have actually heard of this product before. I do work kind of, I don't wanna say I work in the skincare industry, but I do work at a skin clinic that focuses on, you know, medical grade skincare products, skin rejuvenation, that sort of thing. We don't carry this line, but I have tried it, and I have actually tried this before, and it's very nice. It's like a super calming, refreshing facial mist. It's supposed to be non-comedogenic. It does actually feel quite nice on the skin, so I'm actually pretty satisfied to see that I would get this in a box. That's really cool to see this brand in there as well. Ooh, it is a nice mist. Doesn't have a fragrance or anything. Let's just go ahead and put some on now. It just feels very, very refreshing. I'm not quite sure that I would set my makeup down with this, but it'd be super nice like after you work out or right away in the morning or on those summer days that it's hot and you've spent the day outside, pop this in your fridge, spray some on the face, and that can be very cool and refreshing. So yeah, like I said, super excited to see that in the box. Let's see what sticks out to me next here. We have an Aria Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. It's kind of funny that I got this because I was just thinking that my hairbrush right now was kind of on its way out. And this is really pretty. So it's like a rose gold tone, paddle type brush. It said it's supposed to be detangling. It is cushioned. Let's see if there's any other info on the insert. It did come in this nice little packaging here. It says that this is a professional paddle brush that features extended bristles for easy detangling and reduces stress to hair and scalp during blow drying and styling. Ideal for smoothing hair during blow drying to create smooth, straight styles and softness. Great for use on all hair type. Can't be disappointed in that. Like I said, my wet brush was kind of on its way out. I've had it for years. Literally years. Definitely time for me to try something new, so I'll have to test that out and see how well I like that. Believe it or not, I am very picky when it comes to hairbrushes. There are some that just simply don't comb through my hair. They don't brush through my hair. It really drives me crazy, so we'll have to try that out. Now, it does say that there is a mystery choice. I'm not quite sure what that means. I feel like I chose everything. I don't know what mystery choice means. Maybe I missed something when I was customizing my box, but this is a cooling spot therapy. It says temple rub for clarity and peace of mind. Ooh, this is nice. It says it has peppermint and green tea in it. Spray, soften, and soothe your soul. Inhale, exhale, and apply. Cooling spot therapy helps to relieve tension and stress after a long day. Find more mental focus, calm, and clarity while resetting your entire mind, body, and soul, made with essential oils and natural ingredients. Wow, I really like that. So far, I'm actually pretty impressed with the stuff that I've gotten in this box. Just trying to get some out here. I might as well show you guys what the packaging looks like. I'm overly excited about it, and I'm like, I just want to see it for myself. Well, this might be bad. Now, why is my pump not working? Oh, there it goes. Have a little patience, Crystal. Oh, it smells really nice. I totally need something like this in my life. yum. Something I can just rub on my temples, behind the ears, pressure points. It is a very spa-like calming scent, and it just absorbs really nicely right into the skin. It doesn't feel heavy or sticky or anything like that. It does say that it is cruelty-free. And this is from, is it Suchio Somatology, Yoga Cooling. See, now I can't read. Cooling spot therapy. That's awesome. I think that that's a really cool item. So far, it's like self-care central right here. And again, I'm totally living for it. The next item is a deep sleep body cocoon from the brand This Works. I've actually tried some stuff from this brand before, and I am a huge fan. I had some sort of face primer that I really liked from them. It was like a deluxe size. I ran out of it. I never did end up repurchasing it because I have so much makeup to get through in my collection and different primers, but it is one that I would consider repurchasing. And I also have like a nighttime like pillow spray to help unwind and relax. It says this is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. I could definitely use something like this. It says use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. A powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter and camelina sativa oils to nourish, support, and preserve skin vitality, and pure essential oils of lavender, vetiver, and chamomile to help improve sleep quality. Thank you, This Works, for putting a seal on this that I can actually open. Okay, so it definitely feels very lightweight, which I do enjoy. I don't like heavy lotions. I'm one of those weird people that absolutely hates, like I hate the feeling of lotion on me. It just is awful. I hate dry skin too, but oh yeah, that's definitely very, again, smells like a spa. That's super awesome. So again, another really fun item. Moving on, I have a set of silicone straws. I mean, I like stuff like this. I'm not jumping through the roof to get something like this like I am with the other products I've gotten so far, but I think that this is cool. Again, it's another fun item. And what is this little deal in here? 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and plastic case. Oh, because they bend, you can actually store it in this little container. That's kind of cool, weird maybe? I don't know, interesting. But it does come with the cleaner, and it does have the 4 different silicone straws, and they're really cute colors. I actually do prefer to drink my beverages through a straw. I feel like I actually drink more when there's a straw. Does anyone else feel like that? I know it's not good for wrinkles, but I enjoy a good straw every now and then. This is kind of nice, reusable, good for the environment. Now, this is an item that I do remember that I chose when I was signing up, and this is a gravity sleep mask. So it is like a weighted mask, which I thought was incredible. I absolutely love it. And I think that it does have like a weighted insert in it. So obviously you can clean the outside of it, but it's super soft. Super cool. I'm really excited to try that out. I've been doing a lot of research on like the weighted blanket stuff, and I actually do have a friend, one of my very good friends, Ashley. She has a weighted blanket and she loves it. She says it actually helps her sleep a lot better. Really good for anxiety and stress. So this will be nice. I'll have to read the instructions because I'm wondering if you can actually heat the center mask. That would actually be really cool, but I'm not 100% sure, but I will find out and look into that. Super awesome, really excited, and I think that that was a really cool item, something different to choose. Okay, so this is a big item. I think this was, oh wow, these are a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be. This is another item that I think I got to choose. Honestly, I had no idea how big these were going to be. It says these will fit perfectly. I'm like trying to fit in the screen. These will fit perfectly into luggage, drawers, tote bags, gym bags, trunk space, and more. So they're like mesh packing cubes. I thought they were so cute. The design on the outside of these, the little lemons and limes and peaches, super cute. It comes with 3 different ones in here. It has a small, a medium, and a large, so it is a 3-piece set. I could always use more organization. My room right now is a complete disaster that I'm in right now especially, so these couldn't have come at a more perfect time. So super cute. I really like that. All right, and then last but not least, I have no clue what this is. It's like some sort of a clothing item. A cardigan. Interesting. Now, I remember seeing this, but I don't remember actually choosing this item. You guys, like I said, I can't really remember. But let's take a look here. This doesn't necessarily, let me stand up so you guys can see this. Doesn't necessarily look like something I would wear to be honest, not quite my style, but it's quite long. I feel like I can even use this as like a wrap, or in the morning when I wake up if I want like a lightweight robe or something to just toss on over my t-shirt or sports bra, whatever it is that I'm lounging in. It does feel very soft. It's from the brand Donni, D-O-N-N-I. I mean, it feels really nice. It does have like a soft lining in it. It's not terrible. It's just not something that I would normally reach for, but you never know. I'll have to actually try it on and see what I think. All right, you guys, so that was my very first Fab Fit Fun box. And I do have to say I'm actually pretty pleased with the items that I got in this box. I am super excited about the thermal face mist, body mist here, the thermal water mist. I love the idea of this sleeping lotion right here from This Works. Really happy that I got this cooling spot therapy. Seriously, I do get headaches and stuff quite frequently. I personally struggle with tension headaches and just tension in my shoulders. I carry it all here, like in my neck, and this is where a lot of my tension and stress gets held in my body. So this is something really useful to me. I think this is cool. I love it. This whole box to me just seems very cozy. Even with the cardigan, again, it might not be something that I would necessarily like wear, but just to kind of lounge around the house in at night as I'm prepping my skin for bed. I feel like this is just cozy and self-loving and just self-care, and it's just kind of like a little pick-me-up. I absolutely love that. The brush I think is really neat, not something that I would expect all the time to get in a box. Like I said, I've been kind of needing another one. The sleep mask, I think that this is super unique, the weighted sleep mask. This is super cool. I can't wait to try this out to see if it actually does help with my sleep. I might even let my husband try it too, because he is one of those people that can't have like any light in the room ever, and he might love something like this because I'm one of those people that has to have a light on, like in the hallway. I have this theory that as long as I have a light on and I can see the light under the crack in my door, if anyone were to break into my house and I were to hear it, I could see feet, shadows. I know, I'm weird. Am I the only one who thinks about this crazy shit? Anyways, I feel like you would absolutely love that. And the straws are fun. Probably the least exciting thing I got in the box, but I can't complain. I mean, overall, I do think it's worth it. I think it's like, what, 45 or 40 some odd dollars for this box. I think it comes with a lot of cool stuff. I do like that it's just stuff that's kind of outside of the makeup world, but still is in that self-care realm. I'm really happy with it. I can say right now, super good first impression. I think I'm gonna keep up with it. I'll try it up for the next round, see what I can get. And then if I do like that as well, I might just convert into that yearly membership, because then I know like what I've heard and what I've been told is that you can customize your box a lot more and get like your first pick of items when they first come out. So we'll see. We'll test it out for one more round. This one was a total win. Thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you subscribe to Fab Fit Fun. Is it a box that regularly impresses you? Or were you someone that had it in the past and you ended up canceling it because you didn't like it? I love, 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 love to get your guys' feedback. It definitely helps me out as well. And I think it helps those in the comment section. So any tips and tricks, ways to get your box customized, if there's certain times you can log on and pick certain things, leave all that stuff in the comments. Again, it helps me and it helps other people reading the comments as well. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, like it, share it, and it would mean the world, the actual world to me if you would stick with me. Hit the subscribe button and of course smash that bell button, ring my bell. That way you get notifications when I upload videos just like this one. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for a little bit today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.